I'm Mark and I'm one of the EHS consultants at Make UK, working with a host of other colleagues in the department. We're all members of IOSH and or IEMA. Consultancy at Make UK is on an ad hoc basis. It's flexible and there's no long-term commitment. So if you've got a particular project, get in touch with us and we'll have a chat so we can match you to a consultant. So in terms of the support we can provide, there's a huge list. It can include things like ISO certification. We can look at your waste management audits. We can look at net zero compliance, risk assessments, risk assessment reviews, creating safe systems of work, an overhaul of your management system. We can develop a training program, inspections. We can look at your cost requirements. We can provide compliance on the provision and use of work equipment regulations. We've got a host of consultants with vast amount of knowledge, great experience from industries that we've been in before. We can collaborate and we can work with you and tailor our skills and our knowledge to help you achieve the goals that you've got within your business.